Namaskar, welcome to Aarsun Woods. I am Ashish Mittal. Here I have a masterpiece, a grand chair, an amazing chair. I don't know what the name could be, but it's a Maharaji chair or a Guruji chair you can call for Swaminarayan BAPS, as you know. The same chair, the same design is here is 5 feet left to right, 7 feet height front to back, 3 feet, and all teak wood, handcrafted, made by hand. The carving work that you see, that is the work our amazing artisans, our master artisans do, and we make such beautiful units. The maximum number of designs you will find for Guruji chair, Guruji Gaddi, Singhasan with the lion faces and heavy designing, you will find on arsunwoods.com in different colors, patterns, fabrics. This fabric again is client's choice. What they asked, we created it. This one is going to Rameshwaram, and we have delivered across the globe, not just India, across the globe. Such masterpieces. Recently in Mahakumbh, we have sent so many chairs, and in Bageshwar Dham and Devkinandan Thakurji Maharaj, and a lot of other chairs for revered saints and Guruji, and so many highly respected people who are looking for these kind of grand chairs. It's about the design, the pattern, the sizes, and most importantly, there is always a pattern, a kind of like om, or you want some symbol, or you want some mantra on the back. All these points are covered because everything is made to order, custom size, design, pattern, fabrics. So you let us know how you want it. If there is a particular requirement for changes, like there is a Mayuri here, Mayuri in the center, you want Om in the middle, or you want some other symbol, or you want some logo in the middle, we do all that and we make it customized chair as per requirement, and with delivery across the globe at factory price. This huge design, as you see, I don't sit on the chairs because these are for gurujis, for revered people, and I can stand in front of it, and you can see. I'll let me sit in front, and you can see how huge, how big is the chair, and this is the size of the chair that you can see. And such big units require a lot of work, not just to make it, but to pack it, to transport it. That's a skill, that's something required, because we can make anything here, but delivering it safely, that's again one quality that Arson has developed in all these years, all this time. And that's why we have delivered thousands of products across the globe, everything made to order as per client's requirement. And here is one more unit. If you're looking for something like this, please contact us. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.